Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a blog to your Wix Studio website, customize it for your unique needs, and show you some essential tips to get your blog running smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional-looking blog in Wix Studio, ready to showcase your latest posts to the world. Whether you're starting a personal blog, launching a company news section, or just testing things out, this guide will cover everything you need. Let's jump in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Add Element section. Think of Add Element as your creative toolkit inside Wix Studio. It's where you build out different features of your site, adding the elements that matter most. In the search bar at the top, type blog. Wix makes this super simple so you don't need to dig around. When you see the blog option appear, there will be a big clear Add to Site button. Go ahead and click that. Take a moment here because as soon as you add the blog, Wix will automatically drop a basic blog widget onto your page. It's almost like getting a blank canvas with all the main tools already set up for you. You'll see a general blog display. You can drag it around, size it up, and arrange it however you want so that it fits perfectly into your layout. If you're particular about design, don't be afraid to try different placements and see what feels right for your site. Now let's talk about the settings. If you click into the blog element, you'll spot various options like Create a Post, Blog Settings, and other display controls. Create a Post is your gateway to publishing content. Just click it whenever you're ready to write something new, whether it's a recipe, an announcement, or a story about your latest adventure. Under Blog Settings, you gain control over what appears on your blog, the post's order, featured sections, and display choices. Take a little time to explore these menus. Customizing what shows on your blog makes your site feel truly yours. Maybe you only want to show published articles or highlight a select category. This is where those decisions happen. Next, let's talk layouts. Wix Studio gives you several different layout choices, ranging from classic grid displays to sleek single columns. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Sometimes the design that looks best for your content isn't always the default. Try out a few layouts and preview them as if you were a visitor. You might find that a list view feels modern, or a magazine grid is perfect for photo-heavy posts. If something doesn't look right, switching back is always just a click away, so no worries if it takes a few tries. Once you've settled on a layout, you can further fine-tune the look and feel of your blog in the design section. Here, where you get creative, adjust colors, fonts, borders, and even background images to make your blog shine and match your brand. Maybe you want a cozy, warm palette for a personal journal vibe or a clean, minimalist look for business updates. Take it slow here. Changes happen in real time, so you'll see immediately how your adjustments impact your site. When your blog is looking good, head back to the main area and click Manage Posts. This is your control center for daily blogging. From here, you can create new posts, edit old ones, moderate comments, super important for keeping discussions positive, and organize your content with categories and tags. Categories are helpful for sorting your posts by topic, say travel, recipes, or news, and tags make it easier for readers to find related articles. You can also add and manage writers if you're running a team blog, and even set up monetization options to start earning from your writing. If you're not sure about a particular setting, hover over icons or use Wix's tooltips. They're great for quick explanations. And that's it. You've now got a fully functional blog on your Wix Studio site. I hope this walkthrough helped you see just how flexible and approachable Wix makes the blogging process. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button. Let me know any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future tips. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.